Lawmakers across the country are faced with a rapid response to the coronavirus outbreak.
That's right. Kristen Gallant shares how congressmen from this area now are working to address COVID-19.
As the number of coronavirus cases continue to increase, Representative Morgan Griffith of Virginia says local businesses are stepping up to help prevent a shortage of medical equipment.
The private sector is responding. We have a number of folks in the 9th District who are working on mask production as we speak, but ventilators are a little more difficult, but still we are working hard to increase that supply.
Griffith says coal miners in Southwest Virginia are particularly susceptible when it comes to getting COVID-19.
We have a lot of folks that work in the mines that may have, even if they don't have full-fledged black lung, may have some lung disorder from having worked in the mines, and so they need to be more careful, as do people who are coming into contact with them.
Congressman Phil Rowe of Tennessee says he's never seen a pandemic to this extent in his years as a doctor or lawmaker.
It's a tough time, and I've never been through this. I've been through a bunch of epidemics in my practice career while I was here and then while I've been a physician, but I haven't seen one quite like this.
Both are working to pass legislation in Congress that will help small businesses during the coronavirus pandemic.
Government has caused a lot of these businesses to close as its proper response to the health crisis. But as a result of that, I believe the government has a responsibility to try to help people land softly and get the economy going again as soon as this virus has been dealt with.
They're also trying to help those who lost their jobs.
And one of the things we can do is there's going to be enhanced unemployment for folks quickly, not taking forever to get it, but quickly.
In Johnson City, Kristen Gallant, News Channel 11.